Hoi, ik ben Daan Schreurs en ik mag voor de Roesjpopshow een local cover gaan spelen voor jullie. Ik heb gekozen voor het liedje Let the Train Blow the Whistle van een van mijn grote helden, Johnny Cash. I don't want no aggravation when the train has left the station. If you're there or not, I may not even know. Have around and remember things we did that weren't so tender. Let the train blow the whistle when I go. All my old guitars sell tickets, so someone can finally pick it. And tell the girls down at the Ritz I said hello. And tell the gossipers and liars that I'll meet them in the fire. Let the train blow the whistle when I go. Let it blow, oh let it blow. Long and loud and hard and happy, let it blow. No regrets for all my debts still be paid when I get laid. Let it blow, let it blow, let it blow. Left without excuses for the evils and abuses down to the day from years and years ago. And have yourself another toke from that basket full of smoke, and let the train blow the whistle when I go. When I go, you gotta let her blow. Long and loud and hard and happy, let her go. No regrets for all my debts, they will be paid when I get laid. Let her blow, let her blow, let her blow. No regrets for all my debts, they will be paid when I get laid. Let her blow, let her blow.